In this video, we'll be exploring how to set up and use the RepairDesk Connect app, part of the RepairDesk App Store. Let's begin. When you launch RepairDesk, you'll see a new nav bar on the right side of the screen. Click on the plus icon here to bring up the RepairDesk App Store drawer. Then, click on RepairDesk Connect, and then click the Install button. Once the app is installed, you'll see its icon appear in the left nav bar. Click on the icon to launch RepairDesk Connect. Now, go over to the settings of the app, and to connect to Facebook, click on the Connect button. You'll be redirected to Facebook to authorize RepairDesk Connect to plug into your account. Once you're done, you'll be taken back to the Connect app and will be asked to choose a page to integrate the app with. Choose from the list of options and click on Select to proceed. Your Connect app will now be integrated with your Facebook page. And when you go back to the Messages section, you'll be able to see all your Facebook messages imported to RepairDesk Connect. To respond to a message, click on it to open the conversation. Type your message out and click Send or press Enter. Your message should be sent to your customer on Facebook right through the app. Now, let's access the call logs from the left menu of the app. If you have any calls that have come in, you can click on the Download button to get a recording of the call, or click on the Add Note button to leave a diagnostic note for your staff. And that's how you can set up and use the RepairDesk Connect app. Thanks for watching.